everyone, and welcome to the 12 days of stickers, day 7. So today's kit is the beach vacation kit, which is a photo kit. This one is the essential kit, the 4-page essential kit, but here's what the mini kit looks like with the foil accent. So here is the foil accents on this one. It is on silver foil just because it matches. The foil color on the stickers really does depend on the kit itself, so I kind of chose different foils that match the kits better. So yeah, this one is the mini kit. Of course, this is 2 pages and a smaller version of the essential kit. And just a quick thing, because I got a few questions about this. All of the foiled kits are on glossy paper, which is kind of like a photo paper. The foil itself just looks so much better when it's on glossy paper. It's just one of those things where it's so much easier to do. And on the premium matte paper, it's not consistent. So that is why we have all the foil kits in glossy. So just letting you guys know that. Also, make sure you check the Instagram. I started posting all of the deluxe kits. That is it for day 7. Make sure you stay tuned for day 6 tomorrow.